Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you fix all Windows Update problems in Windows 10 or 11. Follow the instructions step by step. Windows Update is an essential component of Windows 10 or 11, ensuring your system remains secure, stable, and up to date with the latest features. However, issues can occasionally arise, preventing updates from installing. This guide provides detailed steps to troubleshoot and restore Windows Update problems effectively. There are many potential solutions for Windows Update errors, ranging from simple fixes to more advanced system repairs. Before trying the more complex solutions, check some simple preconditions first. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and try to solve the problem. If you are successful with these instructions, to kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. The following list outlines error codes and potential causes associated with Windows Update. Number 1. Error code update took too long to install or was interrupted. Number 2. Error code update process is stuck due to an incomplete update or connection issue. Number 3. Error codes unable to install the update due to insufficient disk space. Number 4. Error codes corrupted or missing system files or incomplete download. Number 5. Error code missing download or record update files are unavailable. Number 6. Error codes update failed to install. Number 7. Windows Update service is disabled or stopped. Number 8. Error code another program or process is blocking the Windows Update process. Number 9. Windows Update stuck at 0% or 100%. Number 10. Windows Update got to 51 or 99% and want complete installation. Okay, this is the most common issues. Please try the following general troubleshooting steps to help solve these Windows Update problems. First of all, check the pre-update checklist whether it is okay or not. Number 1. Ensure a stable internet connection. Disconnect from a VPN and reconnect it to your network if necessary. Number 2. Check for sufficient disk space. Windows Updates requires at least 16 or 20 gigabytes of free space depending on your system architecture. Number 3. Disconnect a non-essential external hard drive like printers and external drives. Number 4. Temporarily uninstall third-party antivirus software which can sometimes block updates. You can reinstall it afterward. Number 5. Ensure you are using an administrator account to perform the updates. Number 6. Verify date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with Windows Update. Number 7. Run a diagnostic test. Most manufacturers provide built-in diagnostic tools that can be accessed during startup. Running these can help determine if the drive is failing. Okay, once complete, if your pre-update checklist is perfectly okay, if your Windows still not able to update, follow these solutions. Solution number 1. Use the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The Windows 11 Troubleshooter can be accessed by going to settings. This built-in tool can automatically diagnose and fix many common update issues. You can run Windows Update Troubleshooter and fix update issues. Okay, let's start to do that. Open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key plus I. On the settings page, select the system settings, then go to the right pane. Here click to open the troubleshooter settings, then select the other troubleshooters. Here you will see many troubleshoot options. Then select Windows Update and click to run Windows Update Troubleshoot. It will start detecting the problem and try to fix update issues if you have any Windows Update issues. This may take some time depending on your system. Be patient. This will work in both Windows 10 and 11. Wait for the process to complete. Once complete, restart your computer to see if the issue is resolved. That's all. Next, solution number 2. Clear the Windows Update files. Corrupted temporary update files can interfere with the installation process. Manually clear the Windows Update cache using Services and File Explorer. To do that, open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Run dialog box, we'll type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down cursor until you find either Windows Update and then right click on the Windows Update and then select stop. It will stop Windows update. Once done, again open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box, we'll type C:\Windows\software distribution and press enter. Or navigate to this path in the following Explorer and delete all the contents of the folder. You need to delete all the contents of the folder. Press Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus A, and then press Shift delete and press enter. It will delete all the contents of these folders. Once done, again back to the services window. Open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box, we'll type services.msc and press enter. In the services window, scroll down the cursor until you find either Windows Update, and then right click on the Windows Update and select Start. You need to start the Windows Update. Once it's done, here you need to go to the background intelligent transfer service settings. See if it's enabled or disabled. If it's disabled, then right click on the background intelligent transfer service and then select Start. Make sure it's enabled. Once done, check the Windows Update issues is resolved or not. That's it. Next, solution number 3. Perform a clean boot. Fix a Windows Update issue with perform a clean boot. A clean boot restart starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. It helping you determine if a third-party application is causing the update issue. Okay, let's start. To do that, open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box, we'll type msconfig and press enter. It will open System Configuration window. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab. Here, check the box for Hide all Microsoft services. Then click Disable all. Next, go to the Startup tab and click to open the Task Manager like this. In the Task Manager, disable each startup items individually like this. Once done, close the Task Manager and back to System Configuration window. Here, click Apply to save the changes and click OK. Then you need to restart your computer and try running the Windows Update again. That's all. Next, solution number 4. Run a System File Checker SFC scan. The SFC scan is a Windows utility that scans for and restores corrupted or missing system files. Running the command SFC scan automatically fixes these issues by replacing bad files with good ones. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. To do that, first of all, you need to open command prompt with admin privilege. Open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type CMD, and in the search results, here you need to run command prompt as administrator. Select Run as administrator, then click Yes to approve the user account control prompt. It will open command prompt with admin privilege. In the command prompt window, type the following command sfc/scan now and press enter. This command line tool will begin scanning and repairing corrupted or missing system files. This may take some time depending on your system. Be patient. Do not close the command prompt window until the scan is 100% complete. Microsoft recommends running the SFC scan to fix any remaining corrupted system files. This command is a key part of Windows repair and is often run after other troubleshooting steps have failed. It is most useful for fixing issues with Windows Update that prevent it from downloading necessary files. Corrupted system files can cause a variety of problems, including critical errors like the blue screen of death, general instability, or features that don't work correctly. Running the command SFC scan can automatically fix these issues by replacing bad files with good ones. Once the scan is finished, once done, then restart your computer to apply any changes. That's all. Next, solution number 5. Restore and repair system files with DISM tool. If the SFC scan failed to resolve the issue, the deployment imaging and servicing management tools can repair the core Windows system recovery files. The DISM command scans the local Windows image files for corrupted files. If corrupted files is found, it will attempt to repair it by downloading necessary files from live Windows updates. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. First of all, make sure internet connected properly on your device, and then you need to open command prompt with admin privilege. To do that, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type CMD, and in the search results, here you need to run command prompt as administrator. Select run as administrator. Then click yes to approve the user account control prompt. It will open command prompt with admin privilege. In the command prompt window, type the following command: dasm.exe /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and press enter. This command line tool will begin scanning and repairing corrupted or missing system files. This may take some time depending on your system, and it's normal for it to pause or seem stuck at certain percentages. Be patient and do not close the command prompt windows until the scan is 100% complete. Okay, DASM command specifies that should run against your currently running Windows installation rather than offline image. It performs cleanup and recovery file operations on the running operating system. Restore Health scans the local Windows image files for corrupted files. If corrupted files is found, it will attempt to repair it by downloading necessary files from live Windows update. Okay, once the DASM command is finished 100% complete successfully, if the SFC scan failed to resolve the issue before, run SFC scan a final time to repair any remaining issues. You should run SFC scan again for successful finish. Do it again, run a system file checker, SFC scan, then restart your computer. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. That's all. Hopefully you are successful with these solutions. Unfortunately, if your Windows still not able to update, if the error persists, consider professional help. A persistent hard disk error can be a sign of a failing physical drive. Maybe some of the hard disk sector damaged. Professional data recovery services may be necessary if the data is critical and unrecoverable through software solutions. If the drive is failing persistently, it will need to be replaced. That's it. You have suggested video in the description box below. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.